It is very much my privilege to introduce Lizzie Graham.
The coming out rate in the LGBTQ community is growing. Now, I'm sure we've heard that some may think that people are becoming LGBTQ, but we know that is not true. To those who feel like they don't fit in or are trying to find their identity or direction in life, you may not realize it, but you will find your community.
We know, statistically speaking, globally, 1 in 9 human beings identifies in LGBTQIA+ spectrum. And we also know that those students are our most vulnerable. They are most at risk for stress, anxiety, depression, homelessness, and suicide. An event like this is one where we can raise awareness, we can increase allyship, but we can also hear directly from the people walking the halls and walls and inhabiting the classrooms of our schools what their experience is.
If you are a student who is queer and you're in middle school where it's often very difficult to be openly queer, there are others like you. If you're in high school, the same is true. If you're a parent, there are other parents with queer kids that are learning to, adapt to something that they may not understand, that they may not be prepared for. There is a community for everyone to learn and to connect. And this is one way to go about that, and this is a really great way to go about that because you're surrounded by people from the same place as you.